friends, welcome to my channel, Miss. And you may have noticed that I cut my hair. In the previous video I had a lot of hair. Then I had like a cold and runny nose and I cut my hair. Yeah. But anyways, let's get into our video. So today I'm gonna review a toy from Vtech, and it's called Rock and Bop Music Player. It's for kids 3 to 6 years old, and here's the actual toy in its box. Yeah, this is the on button. See, Vtech. There's like 10 musical games, 100 plus songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases. And it teaches sing-along songs, music, instruments, and letters. Okay, let's go here. Rock and Bop Music Player, developmental benefits, auditory stimulation, discovery and exploration, imitative play. Listen to a variety of kid-friendly music like Aria MP3 player. Okay, let's go to the back here. Learn and play music all day. Oh, that would be so boring without eating or anything. Okay, let's see. Teaches and features music fun, classical, hip hop and rock, animal remix, instrument remix. Then next one, boogie dance, learning songs, letter songs, number songs. What letter comes next? Clock chimes. And here it says parent-friendly features, volume control for quieter play, durable design, automatic shut-off. And the main thing of this is that it has headphones. So if you're at a mall, bus, anywhere where there's anyone else on it, you can just put these headphones on, and then they won't hear it. Only you. Whoever they think it. Okay. So now I'm gonna open this. Guys, you may be thinking I'm gonna use a knife or something like that to open this. No, I'm gonna use a toothpick, like that. Okay, let's open this thing. Let's open this thingamajig. Shoop. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm going for the next tape area thingamajig area. Okay, just gonna show you guys. Okay, any more, Papa?
No.
Okay, let's open this thingamajig. Warning, all packing materials such as tape, plastic sheets, packaging locks, removable tags, cable ties, and packaging screws are not part of this toy. And it requires 2 AAA batteries, which are already included. So you don't have to buy one or get one that you already have from wherever you put it. Oh yeah, we have some 90 days. That's the most longest limited warranty I've ever seen. Okay. And more paperwork. A thingamajig like that. I don't know what is that. Let's just open this. Oh, what is this? Oh, they used to have these when I was like a baby before I started my channel. Oh, I remember it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Oh, there's loads of things here. Okay, there's lots of stuff there. Let's just get this thingamajig out. Okay, there's always stuff. Okay, like that. Like that, new thingamajig. Just rip that cardboard. There's tape. Okay. Oh, there's a user manual here. Okay, I don't need any user manual right now. So now there's like one of those thingies I unscrewed earlier. Take it off. And there's a copy of it. Okay. Whatever. Let's take this thingamajig off. I only like said that 6 or 7 times already. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, so there's like a thing where you put it on the computer. You put this all the way to there, and then you put this on. Oh. So now I'm gonna explain what these 10 buttons do. So this is the arrow button. Die! Stop this! So this is ABC.
Letter song. Let's sing together. A says ah and B says ba. C says ka. D says da. E says ah and S says G says ga. H says and I says if. J says just. K says ka. L says oo and M says N says
Okay, now I'm going number 3.
Number song. Let's sing together. Ooh. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What lost your mittens, naughty kittens, and you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 no you shall have no pie.
Okay, next one is which one comes
What's
next?
next? Can you help me figure out which letter is next? Press the arrow button to select the correct letter.
Look.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
G H I J K
M, N, O, P,
Q R S T U
V, W,
S
Y, and Z. Now I know.
Okay, this is the Hickory Dickory Dock one. Listen,
What time is it?
what time is it? It's called a clock
What's the
chime.
correct number? Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up to the clock. The clock shook. 10.
This is the classical music.
Classical music. Let's jam together.
It's like listen. Okay, next one is hip hop.
Hip hop music. Let's jam together.
Okay, this one is rock.
Rock music. Let's
music.
jam together.
Okay, Next one is my second favorite.
Animal remix. Press the arrow button to see the different singing animals.
Because the third one is a duck, and then the dog. And listen to the duck. Listen. You can press this or this to continue. Oh, and move to the dog. Okay, listen. And the cat sounds like this. And the dog sounds like this. Okay, now this is instrumental remix.
Instrument remix.
I mean
Press the arrow
instrument
button to
remix.
see the different melodies. Then press the light up music button. You can change the instrument by pressing the arrow button. Click on that.
Okay, this is my first favorite.
Slow down. That's it. Follow me until I say three. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Three. Let's keep jamming. Press the play button to keep dancing. Stop, stop, stop the beat.
Okay, so that's all, but this is bingo. I like playing it again. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna try the headphones. Okay, let's put these headphones. Okay, and it's really cool that you can do this. If you're big, you can make it small. I mean big, and if you're small, you can make it smaller. Okay, that fits perfect for me. Okay, now I'm gonna test the headphones and enjoy if it works. Oh, I can hear it. And I know you can't hear that. So I'm gonna put the volume high and down to see if it works. Yep. One second. And now I'm out of the camera. Okay. Woo! And guys, this is a sponge. So it's really soft. How does it feel? Feel it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really soft. Okay. I did fit. I can put it in my pocket. But it's okay. I can just do this. My shirt a little high. I can just do that. Okay, come back here, you cheer. Guys, I'll give this like a 9 out of 10 because this is a little too wide to fit in my pocket. So that's the only bad thing I can find. But that like minuses 1 point. Otherwise, it would be like 10 out of 10, I would say. Guys, this is really super cool. Ask your parents to buy it. It's really good. You can really bring it anywhere. You can even bring it to in class after COVID, and and keep it in your backpack. And don't take it out. Otherwise your teacher will notice. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe and please share my video. And if you haven't watched my other videos while we wait for my next video, you can watch my previous videos.